How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to connect your WordPress account to a Namecheap domain. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple. And the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into both your WordPress account as an administrator as well as your Namecheap account. So it's these two right here. So once you guys are on the dashboard, you want to go to WordPress first and you want to navigate to the domains tab. So normally this would be under upgrades, or if you guys have the premium plan or whatever for WordPress, then this would normally be on the left hand side of the screen as an option. So you guys want to click on domains like so. And from here, you want to click on add a domain. And you want to click on use a domain that I own. So from here, you guys would want to go to Namecheap like so, and you would want to extract the name server and domain name for your registered domains in Namecheap. So from here, if you had a registered domain, you basically just input the domain name, name server, IP address, and whatnot over to WordPress. So to show you guys what I mean, here's what it looks like. So you want to click on manage, or you just simply want to copy it from here. And here's the information you need. So the custom DNS name servers, like so, as well as the domain name, and basically paste it here onto WordPress. And you want to make sure that both platforms are unlocked so you could actually make the transfer. So once all of that is done, click on continue, and you guys are done. You've successfully made the transfer over from Namecheap to WordPress. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support for that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.